I'm Hassan and I am on the HND Applied Computing course. My lecturers have definitely supported me through this entire thing. They've always been available to me even after classes on the weekends and sometimes throughout the holidays. Since the lecturers have a lot of experience in their fields, it's definitely helped a lot with understanding everything that's going on. They've given us real-life examples of how certain things are applied. This campus is beautiful. Driving in here every day is phenomenal. The scheduling for classes is very well spaced out. You wouldn't normally find the schedules that we have in bigger universities. They care about their students, and I really appreciate that. Coming to Gower College, I was able to do my BTEC. I was able to achieve the grades I needed to get into a HND. I'm able to go into university next year. After this course is done, I think I'm going to go into getting my master's in applied computing with Trinity. I cannot recommend this place more.